Hello guys and gals, this is Mr. Know-It-All and we are here with another awesome recipe off of our Blackstone griddle. This is Mr. Know-It-All's famous Philly cheese steak sandwich extraordinaire. We have some awesome information to share with you, so keep your eyes peeled as we go. Here it is. What we're doing is we got some chopped onions and some chopped up green pepper. We are using ribeye. Those two pieces of meat you see on the griddle right now are two pieces of fat that we cut off, and we use that to really put some good seasoning into the griddle, into the food. We add the peppers, which we have Vidalia and red onions in there, and the peppers. And we're sauteing those right now, and the fat is rendering off of those two pieces and adding some awesome flavor. Now we're using real butter, and we're not sparing it by any means. Now we have the slivered ribeye, and you cut it very thin. Put it in the freezer before you cut it for about 45 minutes or so, and when you pull it out, you can slice nice thin pieces right off the steak. And you cannot believe the smell. Now we have our buttered hoagie rolls. We'll brown those up nice and toasty brown. We're mixing together the meat and the onions and peppers. Now we're separating the meat into the piles that will go into these buns. And we're using provolone cheese, and we do not spare on that either. 5 slices per stack of meat, or goodness, I may say. And then what we do to make it really good is we flip the goodness over with the cheese on the griddle and let it melt, and let all the flavors from the meat, onions, and peppers go right into the cheese. I'm telling you, you will not believe how good this is. And we lay the bun on top, and we'll have some extra meat left over, which is fine because we'll stack that right into the sandwiches. Well, there they are, my friends. And this is the secret ingredient. Put about a half a teaspoon on it of that right there. Yo, Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located. Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. And make sure you sprinkle it with your Florida seasoning, Everglades seasoning, right out of Florida. And I guarantee you, you will love these. Mr. Know-It-All, out.